Hi, I'm going to show you a weird trick to earn $400 by reading email. Yeah, you heard it right. I'm going to show you a make money online methods in this video today by which you can earn up to or more than $400 by reading just emails. Yes, you can get up to $10 per email you read and just follow my instructions in this video till the end and watch it carefully. Be active and you will definitely going to get some money from these methods. But before I show you that, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can definitely earn if you be active and follow my instructions. It's a little weird way to earn money online, but believe me, this works and this tricks works, and you can definitely earn $10 per email. So if you read just 40 emails, you can make $400 without any problem. So let's jump back into the site that I'm going to show you today. Is called Vindle.com. Yes, this is the VindleResearch.com. This is the gateway to take service online. This is the site to take service online. So wait. You do not have to take any service this time. I'm just going to show you how you can just read emails and earn decent amount, like I said here, by just following my strategy and step-by-step instructions, and you are good to go with that. So what's about this site? You just go over to Vindle.com and you can see this is a site that going to pay you for service. This is definitely a service site. Their primary earning option is for service. If you just scroll down, you can see that they're rated in Trustpilot. You can see that they have almost 4,500 reviews and they're rating average, but this is not that bad. It's 4,000 reviews. It's getting that score. So people are getting paid for that because this is a very old and paying site. You can see that they have already paid $7 million. Believe me, this is why this site is so popular. All type of service they have, and you can see those categories here, and all we want here to just not get paid to service. So how and what ways we can get paid from them? So you can see that this site is working from 2004 and now is 2021. It's still paying, and it's a solid site to get started, get paying if you want a side hustle right now. So if we just click on ways to earn here, it will show something like this. This page shows you the ways you can earn money by using this site. So you just scroll down, you can see that their main earning way is service. So get paid to answer online service. But as I said, we are not doing service here. We are reading emails. So what other ways we can earn money from this? Vindle also has a very good referral program that can give you $5 every friend you refer. So this is also a good way to earn money. You can do service, definitely that's not a problem. You can do service and earn good amounts of money, definitely. And also beside that, you can refer people's your friends to join Vindle.com and you get $5 right away. So here is the email options. This is the third options on Vindle.com that you can see that you can earn cash for every email you open here. So this is the things that we are looking for. We can, as according to them, earn just for reading paid emails, opt into reward mail in your email preferences, to open and view paid promotional messages. And this is the way you can get paid up to $10 per email, definitely without any problem. When you just get an email, you just act on it, you just open it and read it, and you are done with the making money online method of this video. So let's move on to the fourth way you can earn from this site is watching videos. Yes, watch paid videos and give feedbacks, and you are making money for that. So this is the fourth way you can earn money with Vindel research, and you can go with any way you can, but we are looking for reading emails in this video. So what we have to do now? So the sign up process is a little bit tricky. That is where the trick comes in. So if you just click on any options here like signups, or if you just go over to the read mail sections and click on sign up and get paid to read emails, you can see that these forms pop up. So this is the form that you need to fill up to get sign up. So according to them, you are one step closer to getting paid for your opinion. Complete the remaining steps below and start earning today. And you may qualify to participate in the paid surveys listed below. And so this is the surveys that are currently running. That is, for example, they're showing you, and this will unlocks if you registered there and you just qualify for them. So what's the catch here? To get qualified, you need to fill up the surveys according to my steps. And so this is the trick, this is the problem. Let me show you the thing. The thing is, they only allow 4 countries. So if you just go over to country, you can see that they only want people from United States, Canada, UK, and Australia. So country peoples from these 4 countries can register here and start earning money with them. So what about other countries there? So what's you can do to get registered into Vindel and earn money online? PayPal is available everywhere. Many countries have PayPal. So definitely if you have a PayPal option, PayPal payment options, but your country is not listed, definitely you use this trick that I am to show you. You just good to go with that. So what the catch? We just go over to Google and search for random list like this. We just go to Google, search for random list, and you can see that in the search result we are looking for randomlists.com. So this is the site, random list, the random generator for everything. So if we click on that, this will show something like this. This is the website for random list generator. So if we just click on random address here, this is the random address. We are looking for address. So random address, or if we just click on the menu and scroll down and select address, both will go to the same page. But what is the random address? It generates a fake United States address complete with street, city, state, zip codes. But be careful though, some of these could end up being real addresses. So this is the catch here. You just click on random addresses, this will show something like this. This is showing the random addresses of United States and countries like that. So what we need here, we just scroll down, you can see that they have a data set options here. You just click on this menu and it shows California address, Canadian address, Florida address, London address, New York address, Oklahoma, Texas, UK addresses. So we are interested in Canadian addresses. So we just select on Canadian address, and then this will show all the random Canadian addresses that are currently has. So the quantity is 6, so it's showing 6 Canadian address here. You can get more, but we do not need, we just need 1 address right now. So all we have to do is just copy these addresses and fill this form. So if I just fill this form like this, it will show, I just put my email, my first name, last name, just for example in this video, and then I just copied an address from here like this and just put it like this. The street address, apartment, postal code, and country. I select Canada here as a country and just put my date of birth, my gender, my ethnicity, and my password. So this is it. You just tick mark on their terms and policies and hit continue. So they will show something like this. They're asking for their cookies, sharing, collecting, storing, and privacy policy confirmations from you. So you have to tick mark all these 4 boxes right away, and then you hit sign up to get registered with Vindel. So without any problem, you will get registered and you will earn $1 right away like this. They are saying that if you just sign up and you complete the sign up process as I told you, and after that you will see $1 in your dashboard without any problem for free. And you can see that they have high paying service which can pay up to $50 to you, but that's not open for everyone. So if you just follow my instructions already and sign up, you have unlocked those 50 up to $50 payment service to your account, and you can do that service and earn even more money with that. So this is the catch. You just sign up the way I told you and you are good to go, and you will get $1 to start, and then you are doing great with that. But if I just go over to their review sections of Vindel research, you can see that peoples all around the world are reviewing Vindel, and they said that Vindel paid them and it's really changed their life in this pandemic situations. So these are real, you can see that these are real people, real reviews, and they are making money with Vindel. So they are really happy with Vindel, and Vindel paid them without any problem. So you can get paid as well with Vindel.com without any problem. So all you have to do is just follow exactly what I say you to do. Just follow this word trick, and definitely you will start getting emails to your provided email address, and the one email you open, you can earn up to $10 without any problem. And if you just open 40 emails, you can make $400. 50 emails, you can make up to $500 without any problems, and you can cash out on PayPal, and they're going to pay you instantly without any problem. They are really old and trusted site, and believe me, you will start earning money right away. So this is, guys, this is it. You have to be active, then money will follow you, as I always say. And if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.